This is Jack. Now watch him. When I give him the rice, when I give him the meat, he's fine. Watch this. I'm giving him a piece of meat. He's eating it. Yum, 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 yum. You need to get your nose clean. You gotta get your nose clean. I see something in there. But anyway, now watch when I give him some rice. Total different reaction. Just watch. He ate that meatball up. He eating it up. But watch when I give him that rice. He know the difference in the taste. Watch. He just want all meat. But watch when I give him the meat. Watch when I give him the meat. Okay, look, Jack, look. See the difference? He is so full of it.